Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Orlando, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're going to look at a common question. Should you build a patio, a raised deck, or both? If you've been staring at your Orlando backyard wondering where to start, this episode is for you. Let's talk about patios first. A patio is usually built at or close to ground level, using concrete, pavers, or stone. When the yard is fairly flat and access from the house is low, a patio can be a simple, strong solution. It gives you a hard, durable surface for furniture, grills, and even an outdoor kitchen if it's properly planned. The main thing with patios is drainage and elevation. Water has to move away from the house, not towards it. If you pour a slab or lay pavers without thinking about slope, you can end up with standing water or moisture problems right at the foundation. When we design patios, we look carefully at how water moves across the yard and make sure the finished surface works with that, not against it. Raised decks come into play when the ground drops away from the house or when your back door sits several steps above the yard. A deck built at the same level as your interior floor can make stepping outside feel natural and easy. With decks, we also have more flexibility in building over uneven ground, around obstacles, or at multiple levels connected by stairs. Surface materials matter here too. Many homeowners choose composite decking from brands like TimberTech for raised decks because it handles moisture and daily use with less ongoing maintenance than many traditional wood surfaces. On a second story or elevated deck, reducing the need for frequent sanding and staining is a big plus. Your framing still has to be solid and properly built, but the walking surface can be easier to live with over the years. So how do you decide between a patio, a deck, or both? Start with your existing conditions. Look at your back door height, yard slope, and any obstacles like AC units or existing concrete. Then think about how you want to use the space. Maybe a raised deck outside the door with stairs down to a lower patio gives you the best of both worlds. You don't have to figure this out alone. You can reach our team at 407-219-9951 or visit toughdeckbuildersorlando.com to learn more about our deck and patio construction services. We'll look at your yard, talk through how you want to use the space, and help you choose a layout that's practical, safe, and ready for real-life use. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Orlando. When you're ready to turn your backyard into a solid, usable outdoor area, Tough Deck Builders Orlando is here to help you choose the right base and build it the right way.